Cool. Well, this is Deltaclimber again. At some point, we will get back to the Isle of Beginnings, where it all began. I just need to keep leveling up. I guess while we are here, I can show y'all a couple of neat... Oh, look, there's the cat. I started the quest. Oh, my goodness. I started that quest and could not find that cat. Now I know where the cat is. And Daniel tells me if you see the cat, when you get the quest, the cat will teleport to somewhere else. I lost my cat, bro. Can you help me find my cat? All right. I have the cat quest. Let me run back around here where I saw that cat. There's a cat there. Come on, cat. Go back to your master, cat. Oh, man, he disappeared. He was just around this corner. There he is, right there. Hello, cat. Oh, my goodness. What was that? Oh, my. Here, dude, I found your cat. He hugged me. Thank you. You're my hero. I found your cat. I don't know how to make the ship. Oh. Hello, Daniel Fighter. I have handcuffs for you. Did you die and lose anything? No, you just did some work in there. Here,
No, I sunk to the bottom.
You sank to the bottom?
It took me a while to die.
I sank to the bottom too. Look, here's some handcuffs. I would like for you to put these on for me, since you're a pirate. Here's some handcuffs. Yep, go ahead. You can take those. Put those right there on. Yep, I got a captain that would love to. What? Where'd you go? Come back. Come back. Handcuffs. Handcuffs, please. How do you put your boat in the water? Press M. Oh, and then press the boat. That makes sense. I did that and nothing's happening. Is that your boat or my boat? Okay, you have to be at the end of the pier. You sure you don't want to put these nice bracelets on? M and the boat. Ship cannot be spawned here. Try somewhere else.
Give me a second. I'm going to get wood and I'm going to take you to get a rowboat.
I've already spent money on a galleon.
Okay.
It says it cannot be spawned here.
But you said you want a rowboat.
Oh, I know what it is. I need to turn off what's in my hand, I guess. Maybe. In what direction is, now that I'm a sailor, a marine type sailor guy, M, press the boat. Hey, I have a boat here. I have a problem. I can't get on my boat. How do you get on your boat?
I'll take you somewhere where you can.
How do I pick my boat back up?
Press boat again.
Okay. Press boat again. Okay. No, I don't want you to be put out because the pirates keep attacking you. I can't trade. I got a lot of wood to trade you. Got a nice hammer. I need to go buy a hammer, don't I? Now that I am a boatman, how much is the hammer? Hammer for 100. Oh, yes, 100. That's my price range. I bought a hammer. Now, I should be able to put my galleon right here so I can get on it. You can't spawn it here.
You need gecko.
I don't have a gecko. What is that?
A rowboat.
A rowboat. Isn't that nice? Can two people fit in it?
Yeah.
Is it faster than a galleon?
No.
All right, here goes. Whoa. Ooh. How do I sit down? Right there, like that? See, now that is more like it. Ladies and gentlemen, Daniel Fighter is rowing his dear old dad across the ocean. Hey, this is fast. Woo. Row, row, row your boat. That's what J. Mai was singing. We're rowing. Oh, someone just shot at you and us and missed. Someone shot and hit us again and again and knocked me into the water. And because I have a stupid fruit, I cannot swim. So, ladies and gentlemen, I can't move. I'm healing up under the water. Why can't I walk? There we go. No, I thought I was walking there for a second.
In the water, you can't swim.
I know, because I have a fruit. I wish I'd never eaten. It was nasty anyway. Well, I can't walk. I'm healing up, but I can't move. There we go. I'm moving now. I was moving for a second. Oh, wow. When you move underwater, it causes you to die quicker? Oh, come on. Where's a shark when you need one? So you heal up just laying around under the water, holding your breath. Blah, 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 blah. Whoop, I'm up. I'm back down. Oh. Boom. This makes no sense. This is Deltaclimber coming to you from Davy Jones's locker. Oh my goodness. There, I'm moving now. Oh, I just don't feel too well. Oh, I'm holding my stomach. Oh, I think I'll just lay down. This is a very strange place here where I can heal up and feel better all of a sudden, and then I don't feel. Oh, I feel better all of a sudden. I feel sick again.
You're gonna be like that for a while.
No, because there is a thing that I can do. I can reset. You can't reset your character? You can't reset?
No.
Oh, I'm under the water and I'm stuck. I fell down and I can't get up. Whoa.
You could do this to remove
What?
your fruit.
Oh, how to remove the fruit?
And then undo shift.
Right here?
And then over here.
Where, here?
Yes. And then there's a fruit remover
Fruit remover.
for 50 cents.
50 cents?
And look, your fruit's gone.
My fruit is gone. My fruit is gone.
Well, first you have to go to your inventory.
My fruit is gone.
Here,
Now what?
and then you have a dark root.
What do you do with it?
You eat it.
You have to eat. Okay.
And it removes your fruit.
Okay, so I click on that.
It removes your fruit powder. Equip it first.
Oh, you got to equip it. See? Okay, thank you for teaching me. Here, equip it.
You have to wait till you can like move again.
Oh my goodness. Come on. Get up.
No, you have to equip it.
Equip. I know, but I'm equipping the boat.
No.
Wait, I'm back up. Now equip it.
No, just keep clicking. No, when you're back up, click it.
Quick. Click it.
And then when you're back up, eat it.
Click it, and then and then. Okay, just keep spamming this until the dark root is equipped. Is it equipped?
Yes, it's equipped.
Now do what? 5?
Yes, and then you're
Whoa.
when you're 30 HP, eat it.
When I'm 30 HP, eat
Okay,
it.
that's when you're alive.
Eat it. That's another song. There's a song for everything. Oh, I'm 30 HP. Did I eat it?
No, you're not supposed to. You're supposed to click it
Now.
and not press 5.
Don't press 5. Click it.
No.
Don't click it again?
No.
Right
no.
there. Now do what?
Just click.
Now click.
When you're 30 HP. There we go.
It'll eat in 3 seconds. What if did I eat it?
Yes.
Whoa. Oh, I was throwing up under the water.
But you're still looking at swim.
Oh.
Don't keep pressing space. Just hold space.
This whole space. Oh, and now a shark comes. You died a tragic death, eradicated by a shark. If only you had a shark, right? This is Deltaclimber coming to you from, this is not Sandova. This is Marine Island, I think. And you can see that face. I am mad. I'm mad because Oh, look, you're back. He's back. He is back. Here you go. I've got some really nice looking bracelets I want you to wear for me, please. Here you go. Bracelets? Anybody? Anybody? Daniel, fighter?
Bracelets.
Come on, Daniel, fighter. Put these on for me so I can get the bounty on you. Ooh. I can't do that. I can't talk you into wearing these little handcuffs here. I mean bracelets.
Nope.
You don't want me to get the bounty off of you? Nope. Come on, come on. How do you do that? I don't even know how to do it. So I walk up and go click, click, click. No. We'll put them right through your chest. Sorry about that. Well, while I'm trying to get Daniel Fighter 120 to put these nice bracelets on, we'll see you guys next time on Grand Peace Online. Arrivederci. Here's a key. I don't know what the key's for. Oh, the keys, I bet it's for a jail cell. Come on. I don't know how to do anything. Go to M and press money. Nope, that's not it. He flew away. He flew up on top.